told reality is that again I shouted on my mom. This was a split personality order, how I react on herself, and suddenly I was so simple that something in my internal just get rid from on this. This was not good. I shouted on my mom just because of she said, बच्चा आप आज हमारे पास थोड़ा सा ही प्रोटीन है, यू शुड बी कंजस्टेड एंड मेंटेन. बट आई सेड मम्मा मुझे चाहिए चाहिए, एंड आई अगेंस्ट हर. All the anger is on her. प्लीज़ गाइज आई एम सॉरी, आगे से ऐसा नहीं होगा. आई हैड सम टाइप ऑफ anger and anxiety issue that was delivered in the form of anger and frustration in outside. Whenever I was just watching all the small student, she or he have no interest to talking with me, but whenever he or her had a work, she come to me, the can you solve this. But whenever she or he talking to me, but how he talking to in a bad way. So I uh, in the evening I just cleaning all the little bit of dusting, and song that is stuck in my mind, Sher Khul Gaye by the Sam Bhangra, was a great dancer on the YouTube. Noor Chehal also, again the song repeated in my mind. And this was another song is that I don't know what he's saying, Nachdi Nachdi, Pani Pari, that song is that. Today's a day was, oh god, so much not good day, because I feel again stressed. At the afternoon I was not study, today I'm not study even a single subject. How I wasted. uh, Important thing is that 2:20:21 time is that, this is a timing that I was to mention is that I feel today is a how I wasted my whole time. Secondly, my parents struggle for me, I didn't do anything for her or him. How I shouted on him. Dance is my passion, and sometime again S name is blown or stuck in my mind. The same thing I just talk on the YouTube, same thing I just listen from the small child. The I had a financial problem. Fourth number is that my society's people do not believe on me, and she doesn't trust on me, that how I teach her or him students as a good education. So she teach on a other girl, but she doesn't trust on me. 320 is important, she doesn't trust on me. In my society, in my street, today is a day that tomorrow auntie is just like talking to bad behavior. I feel so much type of one thing I noted 339 is that at the timing is that she said that how I feel so much bad at my foot because she operate, that's why I feel so much guilt and bad for myself. I did not do anything for my society. I didn't take stand. All the student does not respect me. She think or he think the does not do anything in her or her life, because important thing is that 4 12 13 timing is that if you educate, you had a so much knowledge, so much experience, so much things, so much have a lots of things in your life to do, and how to walk in a single step. I talk to just God at the time of evening puja, and God, why all this doing with me also, why uh, God, my inner soul said me that you should do every day wrong steps. That was the main problem. 452 you was doing main karma. You should do not you do your karma, you should whole time wasted. You should not wake up early in the morning. If you take a step to wake early in the morning for watching video that you should do exercise, but at the night same thing is repeated, you had a very bad sexual thoughts, very bad negative thoughts, overthinking thought. This was the main thing, main problem here. So I repeatedly, this 2 days a day I just cook Maggie, I feel so good. But then my day was gone, I don't know, I didn't, today I am not present, I don't know what should I do. And same time, same sunrise, same night shine, but my time is not same. In my mind so much YouTube content stuck, I did not even thinking 5:48, I didn't even thinking how I YouTube, I know every and each everything about YouTube. And I thought and I was feel I'm very knowledge, but in the reality life I was nothing. Because financial problem, because my confidence, because my face to face eye contact, because timing, because my hard work, because I didn't respect my parents, because I only care those people who do not have time for me. How I change myself, this is the main and bad problem. This is a real self talk 6:30. Whenever I just go to take a shower, all the YouTube content just struggling me, hits me, talking in my brain that you should do nothing in your lives. For example, Alak Pandey sir, show with Narwan Bhaiya, Digvijay sir, so many other. I just love these characters. Recently, I just watching all the Kenam Army D on the YouTube, and I just live in the YouTube. This is a main bad problem. Uh, yeah, Nasreen Jati song. I recently watched the Priyanka Chahar Chaudhary 7 to 13 video on the YouTube. How she struggle, how she surgery on her face, how she attempt. Because I feel I don't know why for him, but at my age, if something at a job but I don't get, they reacted with me. I feel I watch that she is trying to insulted me in the form of everything. So my mamu come and she just pick up on the bus stand. My mother all the best. Do hard work. Do not waste time. Do not waste time. Okay. Bye.